Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Supreme Education School System, this is your teacher for grade 6. Subject is English. Students, we are going to do workbook page number 25 to 29, and the topic is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is a tense in which we express the doing or action of our past time. ऐसा कोई भी काम जो हमने पास्ट में किया हो उसे हम पास्ट इंडेफिनिट कहते हैं। जैसे कि मैंने खाना खाया, हम सैर को गए, अम्मी ने खाना बनाया, अब्बू ने अखबार पढ़ा। नाउ वी विल गो टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। A tense that tells an action in the past is called the past indefinite tense. It expresses past routine or past habits. For example, he met me yesterday. We went to the zoo. He gave me a prize. Arif came to my house. Students, now we will learn the rule to make positive sentences of past indefinite. To make a positive sentence, we place the subject in the beginning of the sentence and then second form of verb, and the object comes at the end. For example, I ate meal. I is subject, second form is of verb is ate, and the object is meal. मैंने खाना खाया. I ate meal. तुमने खाना खाया. You ate meal. हमने खाना खाया. We ate meal. Students, here you can see a comparison between present indefinite and past indefinite. In present indefinite, we use the first form of verb, which is called present form, and in past indefinite, we use past form or the second form of verb. Like in present indefinite, we would say I eat meal, and in past indefinite, we would say I ate meal. Now we will see the more examples of past indefinite tense on the screen. At page number 26, there is our first exercise, that is translate the following sentences into English. The first sentence is तुलबा ने नारे लगाए. इस सेंटेंस में हमारा सब्जेक्ट है तुलबा, द स्टूडेंट्स. हमारा वर्ब यानी कि एक्शन है लगाए यानी रेज, और उसकी सेकंड फॉर्म हम यूज़ करेंगे रेज्ड, और हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है नारे यानी स्लोगन्स. द स्टूडेंट्स रेज्ड स्लोगन्स. क्लर्कों ने हड़ताल की. द क्लर्क्स वेंट ऑन स्ट्राइक. हमने आपका इंतज़ार किया. वी वेटेड फॉर यू. मुझे आपका ख़त मिला. आई रिसीव्ड योर लेटर. आपने मेरे भाई की देखभाल की. यू टुक केयर ऑफ माई ब्रदर. On the same page, you can see the second exercise, fill in the blanks with suitable forms of verb. Here we have two options, the first form and the second form. So we are making the past indefinite tense. So students, you have to put the second form of verb. Like the first fill in the blanks is Hamid dash books. Hamid buy books or bought books? Yes, Hamid bought books. So there are four more fill in the blanks on the page, and you will exercise it. You will practice it by yourself. Now we will make the negative sentences of the past indefinite tense. The rule to make negative sentences is that we put subject at the first, and after the subject we put a did not to make sentences negative. Did not is placed after the subject. When did is placed after the subject, the verb of the sentence is changed into first form instead of second form, and the rest of the sentence remains the same. So students, make it sure that we do not use second form when there is did in the sentence. Subject, did not, first form of verb, and object. On page 27, we have the first exercise. We have the exercise, and the first sentence is, उसने तुम्हारी तल्ख बातों का बुरा ना माना. Here our subject is he, and to make it negative we will put did not. He did not बुरा ना माना, mind. First form of verb, mind. तुम्हारी तल्ख बातों का, this is the object. He did not mind your bitter words. उन्होंने अपने दोस्त का साथ ना दिया. They did not support their friend. मजीद ने अपने छोटे भाई की परवरिश ना की. मजीद did not raise his younger brother. हमने तमाम तारीख़ी मकामात की सैर ना की. We did not visit all the historical places. आपने मेरे भाई की देखभाल ना की. You did not take care of my brother. The second exercise is rewrite the following as negative sentences. The first sentence is, she wrote a letter to her mother. To change it into negative sentences, we will put did not after the subject. She did not, and the second form will be changed into first form, write. She did not write a letter to her mother. So students, likewise you will change the 5 sentences into negative sentences. Now we will learn the rule to make interrogative sentences. The rule is did plus subject plus verb, first form, and object, and at the last question mark. To change the sentences into interrogative, did is placed before the subject of the sentence, and a question mark is also placed at the end of the sentence. And as I have already told you, then that when we put a did after the subject, we change the second form into first form. So we will move to the next page. Rewrite the following sentences into interrogative sentences. He drove the car. We will put did at the beginning. He and drove, and instead of drove we will put drive. Did he drive the car, and at the end a question mark. So students, you have to complete this exercise by yourself. Now on page 29 you can see the question. Translate the following into English. Number 1 is, दरवाज़ा किसने खटखटाया? Who knocked at the door? कमरे में झाड़ू किसने दिया? Who swept the room? क्या तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने ये खेल पसंद किया? Did your friends like this game? बावर्ची ने चावल किस तरह पकाए? How did the cook cook the rice? हवाई जहाज़ अड्डे पर कब उतरा? When did the plane land at the airport? So students, that's all for the topic for today. Stay safe and Allah Hafiz.